Hey, what's going on, my good people? This is Cameron, better known as Cam and Money, coming to your household. I really want to appreciate you. You can be anywhere, you can be watching anything, but at this moment you're watching me, and for that I thank you. I wanted to, cut this little short video. I wanted to share compounding interest with you guys and show you how powerful it is. The Wikipedia definition of compounding interest is interest added to the principal of a deposit or loan so that the added interest also earns interest from then on. This addition of interest to the principal is called compounding. Let's say, for example, if you take $100 and you earn 10-cent interest or just 10 cents on that $100. The next day, rather than you earn interest on $100, you're going to be earning interest on $100.10. And it keeps going up and up and up every day. You just basically, the interest that you're earning, you're not taking it out and spending it. You're taking it out, you're just compounding on top of that. So it may be, you get to a point where you got $150. So rather than that original $50, $100 you started off with, you got $150 that you're earning interest on rather than earning interest on $100. The power of compounding is awesome, guys. Now, let me ask you this question here. If someone offered you $100,000 today, so here, take it. No taxes. This is tax-free money. Is yours to keep. They offer you that today, or 1 cent doubled every day for 30 days. Which would you choose? If you chose the $100,000, you would lose, because a penny doubled every day would yield over $5 million. Probably more than that, but you're gonna be a millionaire in so many words if you doubled a penny every day. That's the power of compounding, guys. You probably ask me, okay, where is this coming on? Where is this coming from? I want to basically, I just wanted to share that with you just to give you the power of compounded interest. But I actually wanted to cut this video because I wanted to share this this spreadsheet, and it's basically compounding your money on a daily basis. With binary options. Those of you who are involved with options domination, we pretty much bet on binary options. And this is the very important thing when you're trading. You want to have a great money management strategy. As long as you got a money management strategy and you keep emotion out of the door. You don't trade like I had a good feeling or I had a dream that I was going to win this many trades. No. You're gonna have a strategy and a goal. You're gonna set that goal. You're gonna stick to that strategy. As long as you stick to that strategy, you will win. Okay? It's all about the law of numbers. The law of averages is gonna always kick in, and in the end, you will win as long as you stick to the strategy. Okay? Now, with this compounding interest table here, the only thing you're gonna change on this table is right here. Is the initial balance. This can be interchanged, it can be 1,000. As you see, the numbers then update here on the spreadsheet. It could be 10,000. This is going to be your initial balance right here. And it's going to be update here. Now this spreadsheet is not set in stone because you're going to probably lose or win as far as your trades, more or less. But it acts as a guide to guide you along with your gradually scaling up, okay? And it's going to take you to your end goal, which is over a 3-month period, okay? Now, right here, this is just an example. It's merely just intended to illustrate how fixed compound interest works. We got fixed compound interest. We're only risking 5%. And it's strictly for illustration purposes, people. Past performance is not guaranteed for future results. And of course, we don't assume any responsibility for any conclusions that you make of this example. But this is a great tool. I want you guys to utilize it, okay, for your money management. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, call me, or what have you, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. But this is how this thing is going to work, okay? We're taking roughly 3 trades a day. Now, you and I know you're probably going to trade more trades than that, some days less, okay? But 3 trades a day. You're probably going to average a lot more, but we're going to be modest, keep it simple, and keep it very modest and conservative, okay? Now, the win rate on this thing is probably going to be a little lower than 80%. We'll just say it's going to be 70% here, okay? We're only risking 5% on our total dollar amount. And the dollar amount is going to change on a daily basis because we're earning interest or money on top of our initial balance. If we win a trade, that means we gain a profit, so our initial balance will be higher than the previous day or the previous trade. But we're going to basically scale up on a daily basis rather than on a, every trade basis, because we work on a strategy and keeping it simple. Okay. Now the win rate is 70%, roughly 70%. It's already calculated in here as far as the brokers. They usually give it anywhere from 70 to 80, as upwards of 85% percentage if you win. Okay, we're going to keep it conservative low, and we're going to just stick with the 70%. All right, let's start off with minimum of $500. You can pretty much, whatever amount you're going to start off with, that's up to you. But we say $500. All the numbers are automatically calculated in the spreadsheet, okay? Okay, $500. We're going to go Monday through Friday. Trading days are Monday through Friday, weekends off. We're going to only bet based on this sample. There's just 3 trades. Now, of course, you can put more than in there. As long as you get your 3 trades in here a day, and that'll be strictly fine. All right, and we're going for roughly, you're losing maybe 3 trades a week or something like that. We all know you're going to lose more than that, and you're going to win more than that. But we're going to, for the purpose of what we're trying to do, end result, what we're trying to say is all you want to do, all you need is 3 trades a day to get where we need to be. Okay. Now, 5% of 500 bucks is going to be $25. Okay, so the first day, Monday, we're taking 3 trades. We lost 1, but we still won, so we came out on top. That's like a 66% win rate right there. So at the end of that day, we end up with $510. Let me go check on my little one. Okay. Now, at the end of the day, you're going to be at 510 bucks, okay? Now, at Tuesday, rather than we're taking 5% of our initial 500 here, we're right at 510, so we're going to take 5% of that. And as you can see, every day you're going to scale up slightly. At the end of the week, at the end of the week, that first week, you ended up with $647. So rather than 5% of 500, you're going to be taking 5% of $647, and so on and so on. So by the end of that month, you're going to end up with a total of $1,400. If you just stick to this strategy, throw emotion out the door. Don't worry about the losses. We're not worried about that. We got a strategy we're going to make, okay? Because on the average, you only need to take roughly 3 to 5 trades a day, and you're gonna meet this goal here, okay? Because based on our win rate, it's already been tested, the signals and everything. We got phenomenal training with options domination. If you just stick to the system, you're gonna win, okay? So by the end of the month, you should be over $1,400. All right. Now, month 2. You're going to start at $1,400. Rather than take the 5% of that initial 500, we're taking 5% of $1,400, which is roughly $70. And we're going to still with the 3 trade strategy. We're not worried about the losses. We're still going to play the trades, okay? 70%. We're keeping it at 70% broker win percentage. Oh, let me go check on Mama. Hey, Mom. Hold on, guys. Let me go check on my little one. All right, guys, we're back. This is little Haley. This is Haley I am. Say, hey, Haley. Okay, let's go, guys. So we're in the second month and we're scaling up gradually. As you can see, our interest is kicking in, and we're compounding. You remember that penny a day? At the end of the second month, you should be roughly almost at $4,000. Okay. By that fourth month, the third month, you're going to be at $4,000 rather than 5% of 500. You're taking 5% on your. These are your trades. 5% of 3,900, which is going to be roughly at almost $200 per trade by that third month. Okay, if you just stick to the strategy, by the end of that third month, we should be at a final number of over $11,000. Guys, this is the power of compounding. You understand me? If you just stick to it, this is your money management strategy you can use for any business that you're in, any opportunity you're in. This thing is powerful. Now, this has nothing to do with the affiliate marketing. This is just you working and taking the signals, betting with your brokers, and just following this money management strategy. You will win. Now, I have included this along with the documents in the spreadsheets. Just follow the spreadsheet. You can basically use this for your daily trades and check it off as such. But you do want to keep a template. The main template that you get, I would just save this to the desktop. I would open up another one and save it, let's say, under your name. That way you can edit the other one and change the numbers around however you want to. But you don't want to, mess with these numbers until you actually save a separate one. Keep your main template, and this is the only digit you should use. But if you have any other questions, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me some yays and nays, comments. But this is Cameron, and this is little Haley here. My youngest, she keeps me young. By the way, my birthday is today, guys, April 8th. I spend it, just learning the business, trying to basically come up a little bit further in life. God bless. Want to thank you. See you at the top.